thought of something funnier than 2024. Let me hear it. 2025.
You are bold enough, daring enough, if you can believe in your dream again, if you can get committed, if you can make it personal. It's personal.
Because it's about you.
It's personal. It's personal. It's personal. It's personal. It's personal.
That's why they say many are called, few are chosen.
Ooh.
It's about you having a vision of possibility for yourself.
Because I'm gonna make it personal. Because it's always been personal to me.
Hey y'all, so I'm just so excited for the new year. Like next year is the year for us to reevaluate our life and get everything together that we want to have together. Y'all see this? Yeah, boo. Coming in 2025, mom's dropping my collection. This is for me. My hair. Yeah. 2025. This video is gonna be us resetting, getting ready for 2020, like being prepared for the New Year's. Maintenance is really already done. As much as I want to say it's 2025, but no, 2025 we are not using profanity. No, we done with that. We're better than that. I got a mask on my face, by the way. We're better than that. How can God tell if we're righteous if we're using profanity? So I just want to start this video by letting you guys know it's 2025. Get in that gym. No excuses. Make this year your best year, y'all. Make this year your best year. That's in the past, baby. We in the new year now. Alright, babes, so now I want to deep clean my room. My room is pretty clean, but let's just throw away some of this old stuff. Why do we have it? Like, why? Here's the junk. It's not really junk, but getting rid of this. No, ma'am. First we have, if you know, you know. We keeping this. My first book that this is my diary, y'all, from my childhood, like under 16, 2018, 2017, 2015 up in here. I'm gonna keep that. Should I keep it? I'm gonna keep y'all. A lot of old pictures, y'all. This is a picture of me and my friends in 5th grade. This is a baby picture of me. Y'all probably like, girl, what? I know, like, what? So of course I'm gonna keep all of these pictures. This is my first basketball team in middle school, I believe. Yeah. My baby, she died, y'all. Baby Cash. Oh, I miss her. I do miss her. My mama. We okay. This can go in the trash. This is like this is the same as this. Like, oh, I got these books. I don't ever want to read them again. Like any card that a man gave me, I'm gonna throw them away. But cards that a family member gave me, I'm gonna keep them. All of that is not going back in here though. We gonna get some boxes actually, cause we moving up out of here soon for my birthday. Y'all, this right here, after high school, my papa, he wanted me and my cousin. We wrote a 2-year plan. What do we want to do for the rest, you know, for the next 2 years? So I said, this is my 2-year plan, y'all. And also, I finished school when I was 17, so 17, I'm 19 now, so it's been 2 years, y'all. Going on 3 years, so. Kiara Coleman planned to finish the year off working and doing hair, which I did do. I also plan to attend college in January. I did go to school, but I didn't attend college in January, but I am a medical assistant, so I got that last year. I was going to attend college, y'all, to get my cosmetology license. I did not do that. I might do it. I'm not pretty sure about that though. Like, you don't really need it. We're not gonna get into that. After that, I plan to have money saved up so that I can move in my own place. 2025. So I can move into my own place. Then I want to go back to school to a 4-year college and earn a degree to become a teacher or a doctor. I'm not sure which one yet. Girl, let me just tell you now, you're not going to be a doctor. You're not going to be a teacher. Like, no. You're probably going to be a hairstylist because that's what you're supposed to do. But, like, I already found what I was going to do. But it's okay to get those things. But this is my 1 to 2 year plan, but I have to see what God has planned for my life. This is my plan, but God has other plans. I'm gonna keep this, y'all, because I'm gonna actually make one. I'm gonna make one, and probably at the end of this video, I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna subscribe, y'all, so y'all can see what's to come. Oh wait, no, this is the car, y'all. Yeah, you can actually tell too. Like, this is 6th grade. Yeah, this is from 6th grade. I could never bring myself to throw this card away. Happy Valentine's Day. Being friends, it has been great. I was just friends with him, y'all. I wouldn't even date him. But clearly he loves me. He probably still does. I'm gonna throw it away though. Like, it's in this video. We have this one. My grandma gave me this. My 18th birthday. It was really cute. It was really cute though. She mailed it to me. And we have these pictures that I'm gonna get a book to put in. The title for my card. Of course I'm keeping it. It's just all this stuff we'll be throwing away in 2025. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna wrap it up here and just get ready to go, y'all. So. Alright, y'all. So next what we're gonna be throwing away is these old perfumes and clothes. Like, it has to go. These are all my perfumes. I'm gonna throw this away because it's empty, y'all. This is Ariana Grande. Chef's Kiss. This is empty. I'm not a big fan of this. Like, this smell. What's been going on?
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, in it be relaxing, you ain't even did your taxes. We went triple platinum, won't wanna get no nagging. Made it happen. Young and I died, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, want me to my end.
New year, new me, baby. Yeah, new me.
Should've knew I was coming. Just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. No, I turn nothing to stand.
And it's down. More to go. Whatever you do in life, do it to the best of your abilities. Put God first and foremost. And just do it. Don't hesitate. Don't overthink. Just do it. Just do it. Yeah, I'm gonna take my own advice because I need it. But yeah.
Richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing to rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yacht. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shot.
So if you're watching this and you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Just go and do it because you're gonna live it over here, I promise. This year I'm being intentional every day so that I can have a successful year. And you should too, hon. You should too. I like to thank everybody that support me, like the OGs. I really appreciate all of the support that you all give. It doesn't go unnoticed, like it doesn't. And this year is gonna be the best year ever. It is. This might be a short video. It might not even be what everybody else is posting, or you know, because I find myself trying to recreate what other people post. But no, be creative and be true to yourself. Like, be creative. Literally be creative. That's all you gotta do, and it's go, you know, everything's gonna work out. I hope you guys can hear me. I really need a microphone, but that's besides the point. I have some goals and stuff that I want to accomplish this year. Last year I did accomplish a lot of goals. Everything I say I want, everything I make a goal, I get it done. So anything is possible. Anything is possible. It just takes you to make it work, make it happen. And put God first. Don't forget, put God first. And you'll be successful. You will be successful. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and make this the end of the video. I'm not sure, but thank you all for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And also make sure you subscribe, like, and make sure you comment. Comment, and if you want to, you can follow me on my Instagram or my Insta or whatever. Do whatever, baby. Do whatever. So yeah. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Let's go. It's go time, baby. Yeah. It's our year. Period. 2025. We out.
Fuck your love, fuck it up. Yeah, boo needs love. They ain't never change shit. Yeah, with the gang.